Hey everyone, this is Stamping Songbird, and today I am going to challenge myself by using some kits that I had in my closet for many years and have never ever opened them. So I'm sorry for the glare. I'm sure there's a glare because of the plastic, but I wanted to show you that I never ever opened these. These I had done a video on many years ago. I want to say 6 years ago, maybe even more than that, on when I purchased them. I don't even remember where I got them. Most likely it was Joann's or Michael's, only because where I live, those are the only stores around that sell scrapbooking things. So this is from Me and My Big Ideas, and short, Mambi for short. So Me and My Big Ideas kit, and it's a 12 by 12 paper pack. This one is called Mustache. And it's in English and French and in Spanish, so mustache, and bigote. I had purchased this with the intention of making pages for my father, who passed away about 9-10 years ago, and he had a signature mustache. So I am actually going to make a page or two using this kit in his honor. I won't add his picture when I make it, but I will do the layout here. I just want to show you what comes in the kit. So here you can see that there are stickers, lots of different mustaches. I love mustache. I love my mustache. Oh, sorry about that. One classy stash. And then there are sticker sheets. So there's this brown or craft colored backed sticker sheet. There's this white one. I don't even know if you can see that in frame. And then this one here, I'm not sure if those are stickers or cut aparts. There's also little gems that you can add. 8 to 12 papers, 20 stickers, 7 soft-spoken pieces, 26 chipboard, and 24 rhinestones. I should have just looked back here. So this actual design is from 2012. Is the copyright date that's here, 2012. I don't know if that's when I got it, but brand new, never been used. Here's the second one that I have that I also purchased at the same time and did a video with. This one's called Musica, and I had gotten this with the intentions of making layouts for myself because I sing, and my dad sang, and I was in a choir, actually in a choir and then in a worship team. I wanted to do a layout using this called Music. It's very colorful. I find it a little girly, but I think that the papers inside would work for any gender. So this one's got 12 papers, 61 stickers, 9 soft-spoken pieces, 60 chipboard, and 24 rhinestone. So I will make a layout with this in the future, but I'm going to do a layout with the Mustache Bigote kit from Mambi, Me and My Big Ideas, that I purchased many years ago. And I'm sorry if there's a glare, but stay tuned. We're going to make a layout using this kit. Alrighty, stay tuned. Hey everyone, we are back. So I opened up the Mambi kit called Mustache and got all my pieces ready to create this 2-page layout for my dad, who had a signature mustache. So I've chosen this blue paper with all the different mustaches on it, and I cut it at 11.5 by 11.5, and I just adhered it to a black 12 by 12 cardstock. The paper is very thin, and the black cardstock that I have is 65 pound from Michael's, so it's also pretty thin, but it's perfectly fine once you put it into an album. So I am going to start by anchoring the bottom of the page, and there are cutout strips in the kit, and I chose this one, Love the Mustache, and I had to trim it very close to the L and the E so that it would fit here. It was a little longer. I put this on, that's actually at 1 3/4 of an inch in width or height, and length is 11.5, and the black cardstock is 2 inches, I believe, by 11.5. Sometimes I forget things so quickly. I am not using glue. I'm using a tape runner. This tape runner I got at Marshall's. It's called AdTech. It's permanent glue. So this I think will work better than using liquid glue because the paper is so thin. So I'm going to add this to the bottom. Okay, so this one's it's not done yet. I am going to add some embellishments. So sorry, these are the mustache chipboard stickers that come with the kit, and then some craft colored paper stickers. So I know there isn't a lot of space here, and there's already wording, love the stash, and then for photo mats, and then all the mustaches in the back. But I think I could add something in the center. So I'm thinking I'm going to add this. It says one classy stash, and it can go right in the middle. It's got foam in the center, so if I put it here in the middle, you can still tuck a picture there because it won't interfere. So I think that's gonna go perfectly there. All right. Some photo corners would look nice, but since I don't have the pictures cut out yet, I don't want to add anything to the corners of the photo mats. All right, that looks good. Okay, let's go to the next page. So the next page, same blue paper, 11.5 by 11.5, and I'm going to use just 2 photo mats here because these photo mats are 4.5 by 6.5 with pattern paper at 4.25 by 6.25. think we're good. So that's page 2. Here's page 1. And let's do a side by side if I can with all the stuff that's on my desk. Let's see. I need a gigantic desk is what I need. I've got so much stuff here. Okay, let's move this stuff out of the way if I can without it falling down. Okay, I hope that's in frame. So here is my 2-page layout for my dad, who had a signature mustache. I'm using the Mambi mustache kit, me and my big ideas, that I bought many, many years ago, and I had in my closet. I never used it, never opened it, and I wanted to challenge myself to create something with it. So there are no SVG files here, but like in other videos that I show you, you don't need a cutting machine to create layouts. You can use kits, you can use basic shapes and just some nice paper, and you are good to go. So here we have space for 4 4x4 photos. In the center it says One Classy Stash. At the bottom of both it says Love the Mustache. And then here we have several mustache cardboard stickers or chipboard stickers, and room for 2 photos, 4 and a 4x6. And once this photo is put in, then this section here can be glued down. I think it came out pretty good. I'm pretty proud of myself, and I think my dad would be too. So that's it. I challenge you to use things in your closet or in your stash, wherever you keep your craft supplies, using things that you just forgot about or just bought it and then didn't know what to do with it. So challenge yourself to do something with it, whether it's a card, a mini album, or a scrapbook layout. All right, that's it. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.